Hello guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna show you how to solve audio is playing but video is not playing on Windows 10. Showing a message to play this video you need a new codec. For example, I am playing this video. Here you are seeing that audio is playing perfectly but video is not playing or showing. Codecs allow to the app to read and play different files. Download the codec from the Microsoft Store. Here you are seeing the two options. One is get it and two is not now. You have to click get it. Now you're seeing that message, download content now. Should you download and install this extra content for movies and TV? You have to click OK. Now you're seeing that on the top corner, installing your new codec. Your video will play as soon as possible. As we are done, it is take less than 1 minute or 30 seconds or 50 seconds. It depends on your PC or laptop configuration. After installing codec, your video will start automatically. I'm closing it and showing you the same video file. I'm playing same video file again. Here you see that audio and video playing perfectly. So that's all. Thanks for watching.